In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this v-neck placket. It's very easy and is beginner friendly. You can use an already made placket or you can cut your own. So first of all, you're going to cut out the v-neck like so, as you're seeing me doing, and then make sure you cut according to your placket. You cut here, that's your placket divided by 2. Whatever it is, you use it to cut out the width of that place. So you're going to place your placket like so. You can use a shoke to make this, or you can use your fabric folded into 2. And also your fabric can be as wide as you want. You can make it 2 inches or you can make it 1.5. If you're using a fabric, you fold it into 2. It can be 2 inches or whatever, however you want, how big you want the placket to be. So you're going to place the 2 placket like this and sew it. If you're using fabric, make sure it's unfold. So after sewing it like this, next you're going to notch the end where you stopped sewing. So can you see where this is? You just go ahead and notch it. By the time you notch this, you should have a Y kind of allowance. So notch this to touch where you started your sewing. Very important, so that it will relax properly. So you go ahead and tuck this in like this. Make sure you arrange it properly the way you want the placket to be. So arrange it properly. Once you're done arranging it properly the way you want it to be, then you're going to flip it over the other side. And then you're going to secure it. And guys, it's as simple as that. You're good to go. Make sure you secure this properly so that it doesn't have a smile line. And after you're done doing that, it should look like this. Very neat, right? But you need to do one more step. So you're going to go ahead and top stitch it. This will help it to look very neat. You can use this design on your boo-boo gowns, or you can even use it on your t-shirt design or your pullover design. Anyone, this v-neck placket design is wonderful and it comes in handy. I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you learned one new thing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.